Hi, we're excited to introduce you to some of the latest and greatest from Google. Our mission is to build a more helpful Google for everyone, and we believe that better and more helpful is when everything works together seamlessly. That means devices designed to connect, build on each other, and help make your day easier and more fun. We hope you'll share your experience by tagging us at Made by Google and hashtag gift from Google. Sincerely, your friends at Google. Before I continue with the unboxing, I want to give a huge shout out to hashtag Team Pixel for giving me the opportunity to represent. Second of all, wow, check out this gift from Google. I am humbled. I'm just blown away. I'm ready for the reviewing process. As soon as the embargo is lifted, we're doing this. I'm just ready to go. I'm super excited. Got the Google Pixel 5 5G, the Pixel Buds, a case for my Pixel 5. Man, that sort of sage, in my opinion, that is fresh. And that right there, my friends, completes the unboxing of the Google Pixel 5 5G. I am excited to create a lot of content. Just can't do it right now, but as soon as that embargo is lifted, trust me, there's going to be a lot of content coming your way. So please leave some feedback down below in the comment section on what you would like me to do for all of you, and I'll do my best to get to it. Man, that color is just beautiful. Sort of sage. It is fresh. It is hot. Some of you might say it's fire, but I say sexy and bold. But either way, it's just a good-looking device. Fingerprint reader, I'm sure it's going to be the same or better experience as I've been having on my Google Pixel 4a. The 4a is actually a little bit taller. Look at that. Got a Soapy Guard carbon fiber skin. But the display on my Google Pixel 5 5G, 1080p, AMOLED 6-inch 90 hertz. That's right, 90 hertz display. So as far as fluidity, performance, that should all be there. Shouldn't be any issues with that. I'm sure that watching movies and videos is just going to be amazing. Man, this little guy over here watching movies and videos, wow, at 1080p, it's just gorgeous. So I'm sure it's going to be, again, either the same or better of an experience on my Google Pixel 5 5G. Man, look at that case. Fluorescent power button, fluorescent G for Google. That fabric on the back. Got some green, fluorescent green, yellow, blue, black in there. Cut out for the fingerprint reader, cut out for the cameras. We'll talk about that in just a little bit. On the inside, you got that sort of sage color. It's like a leather feel, which is going to protect the aluminum back. And you got aluminum sides. On the Google Pixel 5 5G, we got wireless charging, reverse charging. We got a speaker, USB Type-C charging port, and a mic, all exposed with this case on the Google Pixel 5 5G. But we got a good amount of material on these corners all the way around the smartphone, but especially this area, to do its best to protect that exposed area. Now, you have to do your part, and that's hold on to your Google Pixel 5 5G while sporting this case, okay? We don't want to drop this device on the ground because nothing's guaranteed. But having a case on it, I'm going to tell you, you're better with than without. Cut out for that fingerprint reader, which is, again, amazing on my Google Pixel 4a. Cut out for that camera area. We have a 16 megapixel ultra wide shooter. Finally, folks, I know a lot of you are excited about that. So I'm going to be taking a lot of pictures utilizing that ultra wide shooter. We do have a 12.2 megapixel regular wide, got 1080p 30 frames, 60 frames per second on the back as far as video, and 4K at 30 and 60. And we have EIS and OIS. On the front, we have 1080p 30 frames per second. We do not have 60 or 4K, which is a bummer, but I mainly use that area. I utilize the front from time to time, but yeah, man, going to be sharing a lot of pictures and videos with all of you. So yeah, just stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. I am excited. As far as the engine underneath the hood, we got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765. We are running Android 11. And as far as performance, should have no issues whatsoever. We have 128 gigs of onboard storage with 8 gigs of RAM. So you combine all that storage with the RAM that you're getting with the 765. I'm not having any issues whatsoever. No hiccups, nothing with the 730 over here on my 4A. Yeah, the experience should be amazing. You do have IP68 dust water resistant, which is awesome. Again, we have that wireless charging, reverse wireless charging. So a lot going on with this smartphone. And I know that some of you out there were like, I don't know, $699.99. Let's just call it what it is, 700 smacks. I think for what you're getting in comparison to what you're not getting, that's a fair price. That's a fair price. And that's where I'm going to leave it. So, again, everybody's going to have their opinion. We do have dual speakers. So I already showed you the speaker here. And the other speaker is either underneath the screen, or let's go ahead and take off the case and we're going to zoom on in because I want to see. It's going to double up with the earpiece up there. So I figure it's got to be underneath the display right in there somewhere. If you know a solid answer on that, you can share that down below. But that's basically what I'm thinking. But either way, you do have dual speakers, which is awesome. The other color that you can get is with the Google Pixel 5 5G is black. But I got the sort of sage. If I'm missing anything, hey, you're going to hear a lot more about it in videos that will be coming your way here soon. So 4080 milliamp battery. There we go. Let's throw that in there. Should have a great experience with battery life. I'll be sharing all that with you as well. So at this point, I'm going to end this video because it's already been longer than I expected. And as far as the display size, you got 5.8 over here and 6 inches over here. The bezel's a little heavier on the 4A than it is on the 5 5G. So if I align let me get into my Google Pixel 4 here. If I align this display is just right at the bottom, you can see they're straight across from each other. You can see that the display is a bit larger, 6 inches, 5.8 over here on the 4A. But the 4A is just a little bit taller, and that's because you do have more of that bezel up top and bottom and along the sides. This is a really, really, really nice size, actually. Feels really good. The Google Pixel 5 5G here on Team Project 13. Stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for hanging around and checking out this video. If you like it, leave a thumbs up. If you don't, leave a thumbs down and let me know why. But again, more coming your way. Huge shout out. I know I've already said it 2 or 3 times. Hashtag Team Pixel. Thank you so much. God bless, peace. I am out. Stay safe and healthy.